Vijay Kumar Behra. Vijay, you belong to which subject?
Social studies.
Social studies. So Vijay, let me ask you a question. Other social studies aspirants, just hear to my question clearly. Those who are or
Okay.
who are present here. Vijay, do you know what is source method of teaching of social science?
Sir, yes, sir. I know something. I heard about something, but I am not exactly clear about that. That source method is a method where you can teach the students by some historical sources. I think I am not sure about that.
Okay. Rajeshri, have you heard my question?
Yes, sir.
So, can you answer it? What is source method of teaching?
Source method of teaching means a teacher can collect all the sources for student to easy to understand and generalize each subject or each topics. And sources is books, library, environment, field, natural climate, etc.
Very good, very good. Rosalind,
Yes, sir.
there's one question for you.
Sir, source method plays an important role in teaching social studies. Actually, source method is of two types. Means sources are of two types, like primary sources and secondary sources. Primary sources are the sources which are we can collect like original document or the occur of the event at which the particular event is occurred. Like
You can say that the first-hand experience.
Yes, sir, first-hand experience, and it is also present in two forms, like in physical form and in oral form. Oral means stories, folk song, folk dance, etc., and physical means temple, monuments, and architectural things, etc. And secondary source, it includes second-hand information newspaper, books, magazines. So a teacher can collect the information from these sources and use as a resource in his teaching in social study.
Very good. The old newspaper archive.
Yes, sir.
Can be considered in which source?
Old newspaper archives. So they are primary source, I think.
But recently you told that newspapers are secondary sources.
But archives are the means the things that are reserved or that are conserved for the future generation, that are located in the archives. So I think these are the primary sources.
Very good. Suppose you are teaching the topic of Indian independence movement, and
Yes,
you
sir.
have some newspaper cuttings of that particular period of 1920 or 1940, and you are showing this to the students, then that can be considered as a primary source. And whatever you have answered, all your answer has been clearly understandable. Thank you, Rosalind. Very good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Any other students from social science? Vijay, Rosalind, and Rajeshri. Apart from these students, any other students from social science? और के सोशल स्टडीज के लिए आ सके? अच्छा, Rajeshri, I have another question for you.
Yes, sir.
During the teaching of geography, which chapters do you think there is a field trip would be a best method for teaching those topics?
I think in field trip, climate, rain topic, and different soil and natural environment.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Dams and rivers can be
Yes,
considered.
sir. River and banks.
Is there anything you want to add in this context?
I can add. Sir, what about the minerals?
Minerals, forms of minerals. Next.
Sir, about the mountains also can be there because there is a vegetation that
Yes,
exists
yes.
in
Mountains. Yes. Mountains are different landforms. Next. Any other topic do you want, Rosalind? Do you
Sir,
want to add?
poverty, we also can teach poverty through field trip. For example,
I have asked about geography.
oh sorry.
Okay.
Like if the school is located in mountainous area, then we can show them mountains, and also settlement, types of settlement can be teaching through geography.
Which types of settlement that you are talking?
Sorry, mountain.
Settlement means pokka house, kacha house, like this.
Okay. Okay, another question for you, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
How can you introduce a topic of inequality while teaching political science? Suppose teaching political science, there is a topic inequality. How can you
Yes, sir.
introduce the topic?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can give you some example.
What
Like
would be
there
that
is
example?
in social order, there is different type of there are different type of people are living in our society. Some are rich and some are poor. Some have the social standard, some have, they are not getting the best, essential goods.
Yes.
in life. So, sir, in geography or the polity?
Inequality is chapter of political science, no? The inequality is a chapter of political science.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
this question.
and also, sir, there is a variety of inequality in India. Like the various caste peoples are there, various religious persons are there. Some religious peoples or religious the people who are believed religious faith are not getting the exact right the other majority religion get. So type of inequality can be addressed. Why? Sir, whatever are you asking about the introduction?
Yes, I want the introduction of the class. How do you introduce this topic? Okay, very good. Rajashri,
Okay, sir.
if you want to introduce this
I can
topic.
show.
Okay, Vijay. Thank you. Rajashri, if you want to introduce this topic, inequality, how can you?
Yes, sir. I can choose a paper model. Model through I will show the various changes about inequalities and equality or inequality, difference between equality or inequality, and therefore I will provide some workplace in our society, in their family areas, in their environment,
Very good.
so they
Okay.
can choose what is inequality or what are their factors affecting inequality.
Okay. Chalo. Rosalind?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, like we all know that students are now using technology models, so technology methods. So, various kind of instrument they use. They all know about like various cricketers' names and also film stars' names, and also
Yes.
industrialist name like Ambani or Tata, etc. So I can tell them that, do you know Dhirubhai Ambani or Ambani, and what is your parents doing? So they can tell that their parents' profession. So I can differentiate between this and tell them that this is the difference occur in our society. That means the benefits the other peoples are getting, which some specific categories of the society, some specific categories of people of the society, they do not get the benefit that others are enjoying. So this is
So
the inequality.
they are being deprived from the equal opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Vijay and Rajastri. Yes, Vijay. What about?
Equal are many, inequality are many types. It may be social, it may be.
ये कटा तुम पता नहीं भाई थोड़ा क्या करो
Hello?
इनकी टॉपिक ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी कांसेप्ट को तुम्हें इंट्रोड्यूस करिवार ठीक अछि मु टाइप्स को कोन गला नहीं टाइप्स को तुम पता छी तुम इनइक्वालिटी चैप्टर को इंट्रोड्यूस करिवे
In that, I can
सिंपली रोजलिन जो कथा कहला
example for
हां यस अनदर एग्जांपल व्हाट विल बी दैट
like that. I can take another example of religious inequality. I can and social inequality. They are just example. They are introducing the topic by example of the social economic. So,
any other example that you can take
inequality.
yes so first of all pilana let me clear always try to give some real life examples before going to the paper cutting or paper folding or graph or picture or model or ICT. Always try to because narratives and stories are the best way to teach social science, political science. Okay, as all of you have learnt or all of you have read that in a NCERT book. At the beginning of every chapter of political science, there is a narrative, and that narrative is clearly connected to the real life situation of the learner. So always try to start from there. Okay, narratives or real life stories are the best way to start any topic of political science. Okay, Avinash. Yes, Avinash.
Yes, sir. We can start the
Avinash,
topic
you are from
by
social
asking
science.
students that. No, sir. But I have to answer.
You are from which background?
I am from science. Science.
Science. Another question for you, Avinash, from science background.
I was answering that question.
Okay, answer it.
Like we can begin the chapter by asking students that while you come to the school, have you ever saw some children of your age working in some hotels or picking some rats and not going to school?
Very good.
That to school at the same time they are working in some area. This will create a thought process about yes, there are some differences between the children of their age. Then we can introduce the topic by stating about different inequality in the society.
Very good. Bada example. Okay.
So this example can.
Another thing I want. Okay, science students are Avinash. Any other science student? अविनाश को छाड़ी के आउ को माने साइंस स्टूडेंट आछथि आद्या सर
यस सर
आउ के दी जण ठीक है
सर मो अछि
हिमाद्री तीन जण
Yes, sir.
आउ के
सर 25
25 okay I'm starting from Avinash. Avinash, why do we need science laboratory? Is science laboratory is a basic necessity in secondary schools?
Yes, sir. There are different situations in science. It can be learned by doing it, doing it by ourselves, like the chapters of chemical sciences, chapters on chemical reactions, and these also creates an interest in the students, and also the discoverer inside them. Uh, the discoverer inside them makes them interest in the class, and the topics can be memorized for a long term, as they are learned by doing by themselves. And
Very
this
good, very
also
good.
develops the apparatus handling skills in the students, which will be helpful for them in the long term. And the topics
Good.
can be easily understood mainly. Yes, sir. This also creates the This also increases the socialization skills of the students as they do something by groups. And
Very good.
also the yes, sir.
Very good. Adhyasa, if you want to answer this question, any extra point do you want to add, or similar answer is like Avinash?
No, sir. He has covered most of the things.
So, Himadri?
Sir, it will develop scientific thinking and scientific temperament in them, and
Okay.
investigating power will be increased.
Okay, very good, very good. If you want to answer, whatever Avinash had answered, that was correct answer. First of all, by science laboratory, we can verify the theory. We can enhance our understanding. We can learn some manipulative skills like drawing, calculating, handling the apparatus. We can develop problem solving skills, the process skills like observation, measurement, calculation, conclusion. These are the process skills. Process skills also can be developed among the students. And obviously scientific attitude or investigating attitude or inquiry attitude of the learner can be developed. Very good. So Adhyasa, I want to ask a question. Suppose you want to start a topic course in class 9. What will be your best approach to start the topic course?
Sir, force.
Yes.
I will ask a student to push against the wall.
Yes. Then take your time.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
And I will ask them that what do you need to what do you need to slide an object from one place to another? And I will
Yes.
ask this kind of questions, and they will ultimately answer that we will need force.
Okay. Any other different approach? Himadri, you want to add? Himadri.
Sir, I will tell some student to drag a table from one corner to other corner,
Yes.
and as Adhyasa said that in order to do a work, you need force. So I can give other examples also. I'm not remembering right now, but
Okay. Avinash. Avinash, any other point, any other different
We
approach?
We can start by giving a real life example like those sets, and we can start it by putting a duster on the table and asking the student why it is now stable, but after pushing it moves some distances, then again stops, and what makes the duster move and what makes it stop. Then we can go to the definition that force is a push or a pull. Then we can proceed next further.
Okay. Examples of cricketers, examples of footballers, different approach of examples that you
Yes,
can
sir.
give.
It's a real life example. Yes.
Okay, very good. Dillo sir, you have raised your hand.
Sir,
You are from science background?
no, sir, maths.
Math. So one question for you, Dillo sir. What is real life mathematics?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by
Real-
real life mathematics?
Sir, Real life mathematics means when we go to shop, we ask the shopkeeper to give some items and we calculate the price of the items. That is a real life mathematics, sir. Where we use mathematics in real life, that is real life
Which
mathematics.
concepts of mathematics, which
Yes,
or
sir.
which chapters of mathematics you have already studied in your life? Those are basically involved in our day-to-day life activities. Which chapters or which concepts of
Sir,
mathematics?
arithmetic, sir.
They have maximum use.
Arithmetic, sir. In arithmetic, there is calculation, sir. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So yeah, arithmetics is used in our everyday life, sir.
Any other topic
Any other
apart from
topic,
mathematics?
sir? Mensuration, sir. Mensuration. Mensuration. As we encounter the
Percentage,
same.
discount, profit, loss.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is also comes under arithmetic.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other from mathematics background?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pratyush. Pratyush, you are from science background, I think. Pratyush. Okay, Chitraman, I will ask you.
Yes, sir.
Pratyush, another question for you.
Yes.
I have not asked a question. For example, Pratyush, what do you mean by scientific temperament or scientific attitude?
Science.
Because already we have studied in NCA for modern constructivism approach about scientific attitude, scientific temperament, and as a teacher we should have to develop scientific temperament in the learner. So what do you mean by that scientific temperament?
It helps the students to gain some practical knowledge, experience.
So basically the curiosity, I can say, open-mindedness, okay, rational thinking, critical thinker, divergent thinker. These are the qualities. These are the qualities belongs to scientific temperament or scientific attitude. Okay, very good, Pratyush. Another question for Chittaranjan.
Yes, sir.
Chittaranjan, do you know what is interdisciplinary approach in teaching mathematics?
Sir?
Do you know what is interdisciplinary approach of teaching in mathematics?
Sir, I have no
Ranjan also ki? No. Any other students from mathematics?
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ
Yes, sir.
ତମ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ତମ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡିକି ଆଉ କିଏ mathematics ରେ ଅଛ କି?
Yes, sir. Yes,
ହଁ,
sir.
ଦିଲେଶ୍ୱର ଚିତ୍ତରଞ୍ଜନ ଛାଡିକି ଶର୍ମିଷ୍ଠା. Yes, Sarmisha.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Answer my question. Do you know what is interdisciplinary approach of teaching mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me an example of mathematics that shows the interdisciplinary approach.
Interdisciplinary approach involves several disciplines like drawing. To understand a concept, we can use several diagrams, like tree diagram or a Venn diagram, to explain things.
Okay, Dilesh,
Sir, suppose we are studying geography, where we are studying the height of the mountain, where we can use how the height of mountain can be measured through the use of trigonometry, sir. In geography, trigonometry can be used to study the height of the mountain. In political science, we can calculate the per capita, sir, and in English also you can calculate the century, sir. In history also, like
very
that,
good.
sir.
Suppose you are teaching physics and chemistry, all are being bounded by the huge amount of mathematics.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
you are saying a problem the radius of a bacterial cell
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
is like that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
in every subject, if you are connecting the knowledge of mathematics, that is known as interdisciplinary approach of mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sharmishta, getting my point? Sitranjan?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any students belongs to English pedagogy?
Yes, sir.
Pragya, you are the only one. Okay, Pragya, answer me. What is the difference between language acquisition and language learning? Pragya, what is the difference between language acquisition or language learning? ओडिया पिला माने भी जो माने अच्छा मु क्वेश्चन सुनथिबो पिला माने हाँ प्रज्ञा कहबो प्रज्ञा आंसर इट ओके ओडिया पिला के रहला सस्मिता आउ के
मु सर लक्ष्मी
लक्ष्मी कहला तो लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन और लैंग्वेज लर्निंग भितर डिफरेंस कोन
आहरण शिक्षादान श्रेणी गृह रे कि कोठी बसी शिक्षादान करबा को शिक्षा ग्रहण करबा को परिण थाए आमे भाषा को आहरण जे कोनोसी परिवेश रे आहरण करि परिथां एवं भाषा शिक्षा करबाटा आमे विद्यालय रे बसी कि कोठी बसी भाषा दक्षता को शिक्षा ग्रहण करथां मुख्यतः पठन लिखन कथन एवं श्रवण दक्षता
अच्छा so basically कहते language acquisition is an automatical process or a natural process.
Yes, sir, the
Again,
difference first language is language acquisition and second language learning.
So language acquisition can be
Sir,
can be done in natural environment or can be done in automatical environment. There is no formal situation. It is an informal mode of learning. So language learning is an formal mode of learning. In language learning, we have to follow memorization method. In language learning, we have to adopt rules that is done in classroom setting. Okay. ठीक अछि.
yes
सस्मिता मानो सस्मिता गोटे क्वेश्चन तमे पिला मानकर शब्द भंडार वृद्धि पाई केउ केउ कार्य करि परिबो तम पिला मानकर शब्द भंडार वृद्धि पाई बा जोटा को वोकाबुलरी कहउछे वोकाबुलरी डेवलपमेंट पाई तमे केउ केउ कार्य करि परिबो
सर सेमानन को हमें शब्दकोशर व्यवहार शिखै परिबा किछि शब्द को देकी सेमानन को शब्दकोश सेमानन को प्रदान करिकि शब्द खोजिबा पई तांको कहिबा ता सहित किछि किछि अक्षर माने वर्ण को नेकी सेमानन को नुवा नुवा शब्द गढिबा पई प्रोत्साहन करिबा बा सेमानन को सुविधा माने सहयोग करिबा सुविधा देबा तांको इंस्ट्रक्शन दबा जोटा कहा जाउची किछि वर्ण को नेकी किछि शब्द कर निज मन रु आस्तुवा शब्द बाकी जते नूतन शब्द सेमान को खोजिबा पई शब्दकोशर व्यवहार शिखैबा
अच्छा आउ किछि कहि परे और लक्ष्मी किछि कहबो
आज्ञा सर आमे वर्ड पजल गेम जो थाए से गेम को खेले कि छात्र छात्री मानन शब्द सहित परिचित कराई परिबा
वेरी गुड
आ सेथिरु आमे प्रति शब्द एवं भिन्नार्थबोधक शब्द मध्य आमे सिखि परिबा
गुड 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 अच्छा सस्मिता कहबो
आज्ञा सर
गोटे बोधात्मक उद्देश्य मूलक प्रश्न उदाहरण देलो ये बोधात्मक उद्देश्य मूलक प्रश्न एग्जांपल देलो सस्मिता
आज्ञा सर सर जेबे उडे वर्षा कविता रे वर्षा पढै सारी की तांको हमें कहिबा जे वर्षा वर्षा विषय रे कोन बुझिलो बा वर्षा विषय रे वर्षा कविता रे कोन बुझिलो लेखो
अच्छा और एग्जांपल हबो किछि लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी गोटे उदाहरण दियो।
ଜାତୀୟ ପତାକା ବିଷୟରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କର।
अच्छा तो सम्मानित पाठ्यपुस्तक कौन सस्मिता?
Again, sir.
सम्मानित
Sir,
पाठ्यपुस्तक कौन?
question again, please.
सम्मानित पाठ्यपुस्तक कौन?
Sorry, sir.
लक्ष्मी
ସରି ସାର୍।
ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ପିଲାମାନେ କିଏ କହିପାରିବେ? ବାକି ପିଲାମାନେ କିଏ କହିପାରିବ କି?
Sir, please the English terminology ଟା କଣ ହବ ସମ୍ମାନିତ ପାଠ୍ୟ ପୁସ୍ତକର?
सम्मानित पाठ्यपुस्तक आम बेसिकली तमें माने मु कहूँ देख आमर जिते पिला माने प्राइमरी स्टेज रे थांती आम से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट गोटे गोटे बही न करी गोटे बही सब जिन थाए जमी हस खेल हस खुशी बही थाए जो छोट पिला मानकर लैंग्वेज भी थी साइंस भी थी मैथ भी थी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट गुटा गोटे बही रे थी जो बयस बयस बढ़े सब्जेक्ट गुड़ा डाइवर्सिफाई करा जाए। हाँ से गुटा से पुस्तक को आम सम्मानित पाठ्य पुस्तक बोली कहते है ठीक अच्छे। थैंक यू एवरीवन पिला माने हैव हैड ए नाइस इंटरेक्शन।
सर 1 minute please।
हाँ को
सर मोर गोटे डाउट रोची हमरो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनिट प्लान एंड लेसन प्लान माने एकक पाठ योजना और पाठ योजना भीतर डिफरेंस मेन डिफरेंस टा सर प्लीज।
अच्छा मेन डिफरेंस की पिला माने कहि पारि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनिट प्लान एंड लेसन प्लान?
Sir, unit plan is prepared for one chapter only, and the lesson plan is for
लेसन प्लान कौन भाई करा जाए?
lesson. I think lesson plan is for entire book, and unit plan is for one chapter.
केन दिला उल्टा कथा कहि दल तमे।
लेसन प्लान टा गोटे चैप्टर पई
यूनिट प्लान गोटे यूनिट पई करा जाए गोटे यूनिट पई करा जाए पूरा।
Yes sir, yes sir.
रोजलिन कौन कहबो?
Sir, lesson plan is designed for the for a specific lesson with some lesson objectives, and unit plan is designed for a complete unit, and it combines various types of lessons like in various chapter. But unit
combination of lesson plan is an combination of lesson plan can be called a unit plan, I think.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes.
Thank you.
That
sir.
is a major difference.
Thank you sir.
That combination of a unit plan is an annual plan.
Thank you sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Annual plan का पूरा comprehensive annual plan भीतर completely सब जगह unit plan दिखो पिला।
हाँ sir, हाँ sir.
ठीक है।
बुझी गई।
So thank you everyone पिला माने। Have a good night. जय जगन्नाथ।
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Good night sir.
Good night.